Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. Now scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Finally, click on this sweater next to one of your available apps. As you can see, in my case it's only Facebook, so when I click on this sweater next to it, I can install in the pop-up second copy of Facebook app. So when I click and tap on Confirm in Disclaimer, I can decide if I want to use separate contact list thanks to this sweater. If you don't want to do that, you can always go back, wait a bit, and tap on the same No Blue sweater. Then tap on Yes in the pop-up. So now when I go back and try to access Facebook app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you want to delete your cloned app, just tap on the same blue sweater and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!